This is Michael Burnswig from Software Oasis. Welcome to this first video in our six-part series on AI software for business. In this video, I will provide an introduction to AI software by covering what it is, why it's important, the key benefits, and who can benefit from using it. So let's get started with what is AI software. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to software and machines that are capable of tasks that previously required human intelligence, such as visual perception, speech recognition, and decision making. AI software utilizes advanced algorithms and statistical models to enable machines to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Some common examples of AI software include virtual assistants. We're all familiar with Apple's Siri or Google's Google Assistant, or even Bixby from Samsung. Recommendation engines, for example, Netflix, self-driving cars, maybe you might think of a Tesla or some other electric vehicle. Fraud detection, which is used in financial services behind the scenes, or chatbots for customer service would be a great example. So why is AI software important? AI software is important because it allows businesses and organizations to automate tasks, gain insights from data, and create new solutions and capabilities that were not previously possible. So, for example, AI can draw insight from large data sets where it would take days, weeks, or months for individuals to draw the same conclusion. Some key reasons why AI is important include, like I was saying, drawing large insight from large data sets, automating repetitive tasks and time-consuming tasks, or freeing up human workers, analyzing data and detecting patterns than humans can, personalizing experiences by understanding customer data and behavior, and it can help make more accurate predictions and informed decisions, enable new products and business models that were just not possible before. So now let's talk about the benefits of using AI software. So, as you might imagine, there are many benefits for businesses that use AI software. The first is increased efficiency. AI can automate routine tasks, reducing operational costs. It can improve analytics and uncover insight from data that humans just cannot. AI can reduce the workload for employees, allowing them to focus on higher level work. So, in the end, it produces higher productivity for employees. AI can provide better decision making and predict outcomes to support data-driven decisions. AI can provide enhanced customer service. AI chatbots can provide 24/7 automated customer support. It can provide increased revenue for organizations that use it effectively to generate new opportunities for more revenue. It can provide improved quality. AI can help detect errors and anomalies to improve quality overall. And innovation. AI enables businesses to develop new solutions, products, and business models. So, makes you wonder who should be using AI software. Well, at the end of the day, nearly any business can benefit from implementing AI software in some capacity, from small organizations just getting started all the way up to large multinational corporations. Here are some examples of businesses that can gain an edge with AI. Retailers can use AI for recommendations, inventory management, logistics. Financial services organizations can use AI for fraud detection, algorithmic trading, risk assessment with AI. Healthcare organizations can use AI for patient diagnosis, drug discovery with AI and machine learning. Marketing organizations can use AI for predictive analytics, personalized ad targeting. Customer service can use chatbots and virtual agents powered by NLP, or natural language processing. Manufacturing can use predictive maintenance, quality control, and automation with AI. So you can see there's a lot of potential uses for the technology. The key is finding potential applications in your business where AI can automate tasks, analyze data, or enable new solutions. So start small with pilot projects, expand as the technology matures. So that covers the basics of what AI is, why it matters, the benefits of what it offers, and who can apply it. In the next videos, we'll dive deeper into some real world applications and use cases for artificial intelligence. So stay tuned. If you found this introductory video and tips helpful, please help us out by sharing our channel. Whether you can help us reach 1 new subscriber or 1 million, your support is truly appreciated. Be sure to like and subscribe, and sign up on the website on any of the pages at softwareoasis.com for our weekly email newsletter. We send out exclusive software trends each week that we share early with email subscribers. So join us on our email list.